সার্ভে হোক, যতই প্রেডিকশন হোক, যতই আলোচনা হোক, হওয়া উচিত ডেমোক্রেসিতে আলোচনা বা সমালোচনা, ইলেকশনের রেজাল্ট সেদিনই বোঝা দেয় যেদিন ইভিএম মেশিন। আই লুক বিয়ন্ড। আর একটা জিনিস মিস্টার দেববর্মা, আই লাইক টু সে, you people are ethnic minorities in this state. It's a very strong sentiment. আমি প্রদ্যুৎ মানিকর সামনে বলতে চাই, what is it to be a linguistic minority in Assam? সুস্মিতা দেব থেকে বেটার কেউ জানে যায় একজন বেঙ্গলি যিনি আসাম থেকে এসেছেন।
By the way, that is not a question from my side. We all know that Tripura or the whole of India, if it needs to progress, needs to be an inclusive society. And Susmita, you and me have always had this discussion about the Bengalis being a linguistic minority in Barak Valley as well. In fact, I always try to tell Susmita, you should also start a demand in Barak Valley, and I will support her. I keep on saying this to her. My question to you is completely unrelated to seriousness. You were in Congress as Mahila Congress President, Member of Parliament. Your father was there. For a short period, your mother was there. In my case, my father was there, my mother was there, I was also there. So tell me, and to all our friends here, because today I bumped into Sudeep Rai Burman and he was saying, why don't you come, he hugged me, stage mein hug kiya, wo sab hua. Tell me, between the BJP and the Congress, who do you think is a lesser devil or a better party?
It's a very tricky question because it's like pick one. It's like pick one. I think BJP is definitely the biggest devil of all, and BJP is untouchable for me personally, and I believe for my party. And I think, Pradyut, you and I will both accept, and like my own leader Mamata Banerjee said, that you may have a problem with a party, and I'm sure you'll accept that, and Mamata Di was also from Congress, but you must not forget what a party has done for you. What a party has done for you, and I will not say যে কংগ্রেস পার্টি আমাকে কিছুই দেয়নি, সেটা আমাকে শোভা দেবে না, এটা সঠিকও হবে না, কিন্তু ফ্যাক্ট ইজ আসামের কংগ্রেস ইজ টোটালি কম্প্রোমাইজড, and that hurt me a lot. আর আমি এটাও বলবো যে মমতা দি পশ্চিমবঙ্গতে বিজেপিকে টক্কর দিয়ে জিতে এসছেন, আমি সেটা নিয়ে গর্ব করি, and Congress has lots to learn from Mamata Bandyopadhyay, and they should use her fighting spirit in states like Gujarat and states like Maharashtra, etc., where they are in a straight fight with the BJP for 2024 election. So bolte gele no one can deny their past. No one can deny their past, but I believe that the future lies with Mamata Banerjee and her expansion nationally. I strongly believe in that.
আমরা কনক্লেভের একদম শেষ পর্বে রয়েছি।